Hi, this is Farshid with another video just for you. Today I want to take a look at a Delta shower slash tub valve cartridge. So this is a cartridge assembly that came out of the valve housing. So a common problem with these are that the shower leaks or the bathtub spout leaks. So the way to fix this is to take this out of the assembly. There's a nut that you have to release. Take the nut off, then this whole assembly comes out. And then once you have the assembly taken out, you can actually twist and take the assembly farther apart. And by doing that, you can have access to what usually causes the problem, which is these particular seat and springs. So I'm going to take these out right here, these two. Take this one out right here, these two. Okay, so these components, these two seats and these two springs, you can actually buy those from Home Depot as part of a seat and spring kit for $3-4. However, the other option that you have is you can buy the whole valve assembly. I believe those are around $20 to $30. But again, the common problem is these seats and the springs. So you can easily buy the kit, and I usually take them apart and use a silicone grease. Put a little bit on your fingertip and lubricate. We're assuming this is a new seal, so lubricate the new seal. And then the spring, as you can tell, it has, I'll put it on the paper so you can see it here. So it has a narrow side and a wide side. Taking the narrow side, put the narrow side inside the seat, then take the seat and the spring assembly, put them inside the cavity. Do the same thing with the other new seat that you have purchased as part of the kit. Again, the same way. The narrow side goes inside the cup, and we put the assembly in. So one's for allowing hot water to come through, one's for allowing the cold water to come through. Then once you have it put together, it goes in here one way and then locks into place. And one thing to pay close attention to is when you go and put this cartridge assembly inside of the valve body, there is a letter, I'm not sure if you can see it on the video or not, but there's a letter H noting that this is the hot side, and the hot side is on the left side as you're facing the valve. So the other thing I would do is before putting it in, I would clean and lubricate this seal, these seals here, again with the same grease. And one other note I should mention is there is an adjustment for allowing how hot of a water you get out of this shower tub. So I'm gonna, let's see here if I can do this with my hands all greasy. There is a double-headed arrow up here on the top of this valve where it shows hotter to the left, colder to the right. And the way you make that adjustment is there's actually a instruction here. It says turn to adjust. Oh, I'm sorry. It says pull and turn to adjust. So you pull this and you turn in order to adjust what the maximum temperature of the water you're wanting to get out of this valve. So basically it allows the amount of hot water flowing versus the cold water, since this is a single handle valve. So again, right now, again, I'm not sure if you can tell by looking at this in the video or not, but we're at the end of the the set of notches that they line up with the center line of this double headed arrow. So we're all the way to the left, so which means we're at the hottest extreme when it comes to allowing the temperature of water flowing through this valve. So again, I'm going to pull it out, and we can turn it to the other way. I believe the way to come from the factory, if you decide to buy the valve cartridge, the way to come from the factory is in a neutral position, which there is a there's a larger mark in the center designating the neutral position, I guess the balance position, where you're middle of the cold and hot band, and then there's a mark over here in the center. So if I wanted to reduce the amount of hot water coming out, I turn it all the way to the right. If I want to increase the amount of hot water coming out, I turn it all the way to the left. So there you have it. That's it. It's that simple. Key notes again to remember. Oh, this just came out of a assembly, so it is actually wet. So key things to remember. Again, you can take this apart, replace the two springs and the seats, and you can buy a kit from Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace hardware store, seat and the spring kit, less than $3, $4. And then again, it goes in together, makes the assembly. One other note to pay close attention to is the H, showing that the hot side of the valve assembly. So as it goes into the housing that's in the wall, the H should be on the left side. And then last but not least is the adjustment. So there you have it. That's the down and dirty of how to rebuild these Delta shower tub valve cartridges. One other thing I should mention is you may get these in different colors depending when they were manufactured. I think there's some notes on their website. Anything that was manufactured before 2005 has one color, and from 2005 to 2012 has a different color, so on and so forth. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you see out of this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.